Today I'm making whole Jamaican jerk chicken. I've washed off my chicken and I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm using Walker Wood jerk seasoning. That's my go-to when I don't want to make one from scratch. I have it in this pan here. I've also mixed it with some margarine. I have my salt and my pepper. I'm going to stuff my cavity with some thyme and some scallion. Some seasoning up under the skin for that extra layer of flavor.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen.